gonna make a very simple side dish, steamed shishitto pepper. I prepared 200 grams of shishitto peppers, some green onion, a red pepper, it's an option. Spices are 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of salted tuna. Any kind of fish sauce is okay. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of plum syrup, or half tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of sesame seeds, 4 tablespoons of flour. After washing it, remove the stalk of the shishitto peppers. If it is too long, you can cut it with scissors. After washing it, there is still water on the skin of a shishitto pepper. If the surface is dry, spray them with some water. You can make use of a plastic bag to coat them with flour. Shishitto peppers should be well coated with the mixture evenly. Place the peppers on the rack when the water comes to boil. Steam over high heat for 5 or 6 minutes. 찹쌀을 하면 Let's make the sauce. Turn off the stove. Let it cool down a little bit. It should not be sticking together. I put them in the bowl. Pour the sauce. And mix it well. 됐죠? It smells good and looks so delicious. Let me try this with the rice. Very delicious. It is an appetizing and savory side dish, so be sure to make it today. Thank you.